Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It's from VIOMI. It's an AI water purifier master. This is the M1, and it isn't just a regular water filter. It's a smart device that uses AI technology and gives cleaner and healthier, better tasting water right in your home. Can you believe that? Yeah, I cannot wait to show it off. This is from a company that is a leader in home technology, and they want to show you that this water purifier can change your everyday life. They've asked us to share with you some honest opinions. So let's go ahead, we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna kick it off right about now. So what makes this water purifier special? The VIOMI Master M1 has three main features that really stand out. First, it uses a 9-stage filtration system to give you the ultimate in purity. Think of it as a superhero. In fact, a superhero team for your water system. This purifier removes 99% of harmful things like PFAS, lead, bacteria, chemicals, and sediment. It's like an extra layer of protection, making sure that your water is safe to drink and is as clean as possible. Secondly, this smart RO system here doesn't just clean your water, it makes it better. After the water is purified, it's enriched with 6 essential minerals. These minerals are things like calcium and magnesium. They're great for your health. This process also gives your water a smooth, slightly sweet taste, and it makes it more alkaline. It makes it perfect for people that need better hydration. Next, folks, this touch screen is a game changer. I tell you what, I absolutely love it. Look how we can move it. Look how we can turn it on. And I tell you what, this is so darn cool. This isn't your average faucet. It has built-in HD touchscreen that shows you the water quality in real time so that you know that you are drinking clean water every single time, which is super convenient for cooking or even filling up a water bottle. Plus, the app lets you track everything on your phone. You can see how long the filters will last, and you can even track the water usage. And folks, I do want to show you the app up close and personal, how straightforward this is. Let you know how much filter remains, pretty much the whole filter because this is fairly new. The purified TDS, the inlet TDS, and the inlet temperature. So they've just done a great job here giving you everything you need to know at a push of a button. This app is pretty cool. And folks, something very nice about this compared to the water coming out of my fridge. When we sent this off to see all the stats on it, we were getting about 70 TDS coming out of the fridge. And something else about it, you never know when to replace those filters. So that fridge water, about twice the particles and contaminants in it compared to our filtered water now at the sink, and the fact that I know exactly when to replace my filters and I can monitor in real time, that is a huge advantage. And again, folks, real-time monitoring and knowing the exact TDS, we're looking at about 35. Again, about half. It tastes almost sweet, it tastes better, and I know exactly how much filter is left. Folks, something else I really liked about it was how easy this was to install. Now in my sink, I didn't even have to drill any holes for that. I actually used the old soap dispenser that we no longer use because it already had a hole, so we screwed it into the top. We plugged this into a 110 outlet, the same outlet we have under here for our garbage disposal. So we plugged it into that, and then we ran the drain down the drain. It was just that simple. It literally took about 15 minutes, and all of the necessary components were included. And you can see how space-saving this is. So it fits right in next to my garbage disposal, next to my drain, plenty of room, and I still got a little bit of space for, just normal cleaning supplies that you keep under here. In addition, I love the fact that this is saving us a lot when it comes to the pocketbook because I'm not buying bottles of water all the time. I'm getting fresh and clean water every single time. Oh yeah. And folks, I absolutely love that I can customize my volume control. Unlimited, 700 ounces, all the way down to 10 ounces. This is absolutely perfect, easy, and efficient. So folks, all the way from that morning cup of coffee to a sip of water before bed, suddenly we're getting healthier, cleaner water. And I know when Amy is cooking, she's able to use filtered water as well. So this is something that's really fantastic. I also got to point out that I love the brand. This brand has been nothing but helpful. They've got great customer service and great support, making sure that we get everything we need every single time. This is a powerful device that is ready to go. Again, VIOMI makes great products. The AI Water Purifier Master, the M1 here, folks, is helping with every aspect, and I love the fact that I can keep a monitor on my water quality from the app, the PCB filter, the RO filter, the water usage, the daily usage. I can customize the volume control. I can press a button and get 10 ounces, 40 ounces, 700 ounces, and I can link to multiple devices from this company. This thing is truly fantastic. It's unique, it's impressive, and you know what? My guests love it too, because they're drinking high quality water, not that stinky jalapeno onion smelling water that we get in Florida. This is the real deal. So ultimately, this is a very good product, easy to set up, makes a difference in your overall water quality. And honestly, I think I need to be drinking more water, less diet soda, more clean H2O every single time. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products on all the planet, and I gotta give these guys a good bit of recognition for their quality, for their customer service, for their backing, ease and convenience, and the fact that they're helping my health. Folks, go check them out. You will not be disappointed. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Go get one. Adios, amigos.